Hello, in front of me I've got Nokia C12. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter display. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change brightness level manually, or via adaptive brightness. Next, we can change lock screen preferences, like privacy on lock screen, add text on lock screen, show device controls, and wake screen for notifications. Then we can change screen timeout between 15 minutes and 30 minutes, 15 seconds and 30 minutes. And then you can enable or disable dark theme that you can also schedule. Next, you can change font size, display size, enable or disable night light that you can also schedule and change intensity. And then you can change white balance. In the end, you can enable or disable auto rotate screen and set screensaver. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.